Looking for Reebok women athletic apparel for the holidays? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1. Pull on a touch of fierce flair for your next workout. Made for medium impact activities, this sexy women's sports bra pumps up support and style with a strappy construction by Reebok. Number 2. Reebok Women's Core Tight, Smoky Volcano. Extra small, another great product by Reebok. Number 3. Reebok Women's CrossFit Full Zip Hoodie, Medium Grey Heather. Moisture wicking fabric, designed for your toughest workouts. Comfortable, breathable fabric. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.